So let's see how we are going to do the testing. So this is GitHub. Remember the URL I send you. There's a run, click, and download. Yes, download that. You click download, it says, do you want to save it? Yeah, click save it. It asks you, well, do you want to save it? To make it simple, just save to the root directory. Save here. So now, after you save it, you can open a console. You know the console? I already opened one. Yeah, doesn't matter, open another one. You want to know, well, it must be in the root. If you don't know, you just type pwd. It tells you, oh, you are root. And now you want to see, well, is a file. You can type ls. You see there's a run.sh, but unfortunately, you cannot run it. So in order to make it running, you have to type this command, chmod space a plus x, and type run dot sh, and type enter. Okay, now let's try to run it. You see the dot slash run dot sh, and enter. It automatically run. So after this, you're done. Now let's do a simple test. Okay, I already connected this radio. By the way, I already installed that GR radio, but it's unfortunately it's a bad program. It doesn't work. I can show you why it doesn't work. GQ radio. You can just type this and tab. You know the tab key, and the tab key will complete the rest of, and then you don't have to type every character. It's automatically find it smart, and then the type enter. Now it has showing something. Okay, I cannot find start it has some problem. I don't know. I don't want to debug that one. The program, I already saw the code. It's very bad. So I already installed that my little program in that run.sh. So let's see. It's going to run. It's called radio. Just type RADIO 3 and type 3. And you don't have to. You can always type the tab key, the tab key. It will be finished for that. And now enter. You see, if it works, but there's some little trick. You see, there's a little menu. You see there's a Q means QE or escape. It means quit. And you can up, down to scan the different frequency. If you know your the frequency, you can type the character G. Then it asks you, okay, what is the frequency? In my case, I know it's 98.51 or something, whatever the number, and type enter. Yeah, it works for you. So let's try a different one. Type G. It asks you the frequency. You can enter 106.5. How about that? Yeah, it's wrong frequency. Okay, type Q, it will quit. In the first time when you run it, it may fail because it says, oh, the frequency doesn't know what frequency. So in this case, if first time run, you simply type radio-f and space and give a frequency. In this case, I type 98.5 and enter. So in future, it will remember this one. Yeah, it will remember this one. You don't have to type anymore. It's next time you just type radio, radio 3 and enter. Yeah, it is using this 98, the 98.50 megahertz. So it's much better than the one. You don't have to do anything. The driver is automatically loaded. I don't want to debug the GR radio because that one has a lot of problems. I have a difficulty to compile it. The code is very ugly, and in the official Ubuntu they don't even include it because the quality of coding is not up to the quality standard. So that's it. You try that one and see if it works. Yeah.